Good evening, everyone. So, today I'm going to show you about the fundamental analysis of RPG Life Sciences. This is one of the company, pharma company, who is basically dealing in the healthcare and basically creating the more drug product and pharmaceutical product for market, Indian market. So let's see the company detail here. So this is the one day chart. So today company just run 2%, 2.5%. If you check 1 week, it is falling down. 1 month falling in the green. 1 year in the green, 26%. 1 year 12%. Maximum 1,005%. If you do SIP here, so you will see this kind of return. In 2000 maybe 19 and 2020 you will not see this much kind of, but in this particular run you will see your investment is becoming 5900, investment becoming 9500 rupees. This is one of the best company. So I think let's see the fundamental here. So number one, the intrinsic value of the company is the less than their current price is less than the intrinsic value. Company has given a generated better return than FD. Company doesn't offer any dividend. This is also a good point. Some companies giving dividend, some companies not giving. So both kind of company are having positive and negative. Entry point, good time to enter. Stock is not at overbought zone. No red flag from ASM GSM list. I think this is very good company for investment. Let's see some fundamental more. PE ratio 19.87, PB ratio 3.67. Sector P is 38.59. So it is the current P is less than sector P. Sector PV is 5.3. The PV is also less than the sector PV. Now forecasting, see the detail of forecast. You can see the detail here. Company profile, you can see the RPG Life Sciences against the manufacturing market of pharmaceutical product. Company operates across segment including the domestic formulation, international formulation, active pharmaceutical, ingredient and biotechnology. You can see all the investor presentation in this particular one. You can also see some peer company here. You can see some financial trend here. 2018 344 crore, 19 330 crore, 20 370 390 crore, 2021, and also profit is also going parallelly. Very good company. I think it is a future multi-bagger company. You can see the financial here. Click here, you will see the income lower than the industry. So right now the income is lower than the industry's revenue growth. Constant market share over the past year, market share stayed at 0.15, higher than the industry income. Over the past, net income has grown at yearly 20%, 28% versus industry's average of 7.89. So you can see the financial trend here. Revenue is increasing every year. Okay, EBITDA is also increasing every year. PBIT also increasing every year. Okay, net income also increasing. EPS, you can see EPS also increasing. Payout ratio is, you can see 0. You can see annual result here. After that, you can see here the if you see here the growth view, you can see how the company is growing every year. FY 2021, the company's growth is 3% total revenue, EBITDA 29%, PBT 41%, PBT is 47%, net income is very good company. So margin, you can see the company's margin, EBITDA margin 18%, PBT margin 14%, very good company. Now check the balance sheet here. In the balance sheet, this is normally growth view. So current asset you can see, so 175, non-current asset 124, total asset 304, current liability 79. See how much less current liability. Very good company. If you click on assets, you will see different assets, long-term assets, short-term assets. Goodwill of the company is 32. Very good sign. Okay. Now you can also see here cash for the 40 crore cash. Total is 57 crore. Total inventory 58 crore. Very good sign. Company current asset very good managing the companies, managing very good current asset. Current liability is also, you can see 79%, non-current 70%, total liability is 86%. So if you compare the current liability, current total asset versus total liabilities, you will see there are big difference. Total asset 300 crore, total liability 86 crore. If company pay all the liabilities, company still have 220 crore in the hand. Okay, so you can see the annual report here as well. You can also go and check the growth. You can say how the current asset they are growing every year, 39%, and property is also decreasing, deferred tax is also decreasing, other asset decreasing, but overall total equity you can say increasing. Total equity means including the reserve and surplus. Very, very good. And you can see in the down is every year 0%, means there is no a change in there is no dilution in the equity. Very, very good company. I think someone can invest in this company after consulting from their advisor. Now check the cash flow. This is the cash flow of the company. Okay, so you can see net cash flow right now. The company is containing good cash. So free cash 49 crore. Very, very good. So one can invest in this company as per the feedback from their financial advisor. Hope this video help you for deciding about the company RPG Life Sciences. Thank you. Have a nice day.